This 2023 Keystone Bullet Premium 331 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 11, spare tire kit, microwave, oven, external shower, water heater, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Bullet Premium 331 BHS is 7,280 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.